Hey, Big Bailey here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to become a billionaire like Jay-Z, but there's a catch. And spoiler alert, you don't need a Beyonce to be a billionaire. So these are the 4 methods Jay-Z used to become a billionaire, and why should you do the 2? So the first is you need to have a trauma or a negative energy that you will transmute into something motivational. For Jay-Z, his father left him, and that's why he followed this path of making his way out of the hood to become a billionaire. Similarly, you have to use some kind of trauma like a breakup or whatever energy and transmit it into a motivation energy and make your way through it. Just plan out a career goal and stick to it. And the second way is don't copy others. This is what Jay-Z did in the beginning of his career. He copied every rapper and he was sounding just like the other rappers out there. But sooner Jay-Z realized that this is now how it works, so he started doing more freestyle. After that he never wrote and he just freestyled it on the mic, on the music, and that's how it became a turning point of his life. Therefore, make your own persona, make your own way, make your own style and stick to your career and grab your goal you want to have. The third way Jay-Z used is to find right people. You must know that no matter how good you are, you should need right people, right connections to make your way out. Jay-Z was never famous until he met Puff Diddy. Yes, the one who ordered a hit on Tupac. It was Diddy who brought fame to Jay-Z's feet. Similarly, you have to find right people, right connections to make your way out. And that's why it is very important to have right connections, right social network. The fourth way Jay-Z used to be a billionaire is create ventures. Once the money is incoming, you should invest it in everywhere. Like diversify your portfolio. Like Jay-Z invested in Roc-a-fella clothing, champagne, Tidal and many others. Similarly, you have to make a good portfolio in stock market, real estate, mutual funds and all of that. And that's how you will become a billionaire. But where is the catch? I know you're wondering. If all of these does not work for you, I would highly recommend you to join Illuminati. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Peace.